my sunshines. My recipe today is my specialty spinach mushroom omelet with onions, peppers, and cheese. In my intermittent fasting video, I mentioned that on Saturday I make my specialty omelet. Please check this video out. Thank you. Today's specialty omelet, which is a mushroom and spinach omelet. We're using 1/4 cup of chopped onion, 7 pieces of white mushroom, sliced white mushroom, about 8 leaves of baby spinach, 1/4 cup of chopped green peppers, 1 tablespoon of oil, 2 packs of butter, 2 slices of cheese. Today I'm using pepper jack and Swiss cheese, and 2 eggs, and seasoned salt. Okay, I'm going to whisk the 2 eggs. Then I'm going to add just a sprinkle of the seasoned salt. So you don't want too much in there. Just a sprinkle of seasoned salt. You just whisk that together. I've added the oil and the chopped onions and the peppers, and we're going to saute that for about 1 to 2 minutes. About 2 minutes. Saute that. Okay, I'm going to add this right into the egg mixture. So, now we're going to saute. I added the spinach and the mushrooms, and we're just going to saute that for about a minute, 1 to 2 minutes. And now we're just going to add the spinach and the mushrooms right to here. I added the butter to here, and we're going to let this butter melt, and then we're going to add the mixture right up in the egg mixture right into this pan. Don't cook it fast. Omelets shouldn't be cooked fast because you don't want it to get burned underneath. So you should do a low medium on this. Cheese right on top there, so. And what it is, we're going to wait till it gets done around the sides, and then we'll flip it over. Okay, it was flipped over. I flipped it over, and the omelet is ready. 2-egg specialty mushroom and spinach omelet is now ready. Enjoy. Hello again. I'm so happy to share this video with you. Please hit the subscribe